Hi, my name is Don. I have a 2001 PT Cruiser. And just the other day I was driving down the highway and I hear in this, listening to the radio and hearing this sound. I was wondering what that was. I thought maybe there's something underneath my car, So I went underneath my car and I looked, there's nothing there, and so I didn't hear it anymore, so I drove home. Then the next day, tried to drive my car, and I started, and it's going, coming from the engine, like. And I don't know, I went over to AutoZone, and I don't know, I never heard that before. And he was like saying he thinks it's a bearing. It's either the idler pulley in my air conditioning and the steering pump, the power steering pump. There's a belt there, and there's a belt that goes to the alternator. And then, so I was like thinking, take one of the belts off, see if the sound is still there. And then if the sound is still there, take the other belt off. And if you took two belts off and the sound is still there, well, then that would be inside your water pump. And that's, I guess, is inside where the timing chain is. And so now if that's the case, I haven't done that, but it seems like a real hard job to do, because you don't have any room to work in there. But anyway, I'm going to start the car, and I took the wheel off, and I took that cover off there, and there's the where the crankshaft is there, I guess, and there's where the there's the idler pulley right up here. Actually, I don't think that would be making that much noise. And this is my the compressor for the air conditioning, and then up above there, they got somewhere in there, they got for the power steering pump, and then there's the alternator over there. Where is it? There's the alternator. Yeah, right there. So your alternator is. So I'm gonna take one belt off, and then I'll take the other belt off, and see what the results are. See what I come up with. But I'm gonna start up the car, and you can hear what it sounds like. Actually, it sounds more inside the car. Here, I'm gonna start it up here. Here's the ignition key. So that's what it sounds like, and that does sound like it's coming from here, it does sound like it's coming from right there. But, So yeah, that's I don't know. I gotta. Hopefully it's not something bad, but you know, well. But if it is, well, whatever. I gotta fix it. So I'll make a video on that when the time comes. So anyway, that's the sound. If you ever have that problem. Hopefully I can figure out what it is and I'll make a video on the next video. Alright, thanks. Okay, subscribe, yeah.